Hi, my name is Steve Glazer. Welcome to the course. First off, I want to congratulate you for buying the course and taking the first step to becoming a better singer. By buying this course, you've jumped ahead literally of 90% of the people out there that always wanted to learn to sing but never took the initiative to do so. So again, congratulations. You now have access to the vocal training system that I've honed over the last 2 decades of my life to help you strengthen and find your unique singing voice. If you follow these steps as instructed, there is no doubt in my mind, zero doubt, that you will see great improvements in your voice very quickly. All right? But before you go on to the first lesson, hear me out now, okay? Don't skip this part. Here's the deal. If you want to become a better baseball player, for example, watching a bunch of YouTube videos on how to swing a bat, how to throw a ball, while they may help slightly, they're not going to do it for you, right? You need to get out on the field. Hit the ball, throw the ball, catch the ball, right? Takes practice. Learning to sing is no different. I specifically designed and laid out this course to take you from step 1 all the way to belting out some of your favorite tunes. So you can sing with confidence, great pitch, all those things you really want, right? In order for this course to work for you well, you need to make a commitment to practice these exercises consistently. And if you want to get the most out of the course, take your time and don't skip any steps. Make sure you feel good about the lesson you're working on and confident about it before you move on to the next lesson. Also, this course isn't meant for you to just run through once and never look back. The course should be a constant companion for you. Anytime you need a refresher or you feel like you don't understand something, that's the beautiful thing about having these lessons pre-recorded and ready and waiting for you anytime you're ready to learn, anytime you're ready to rewatch. That's the great thing. Also, at the beginning, the first several lessons might not be that exciting to you. That's okay, that's normal, but do not skip them, okay? That's the base, that's the foundation, that's the fundamentals. The fundamentals and the foundation are everything. If you skip that stuff, we can't get you to where you want to be. So please don't skip ahead, even though you really might want to, and follow the course as it's laid out. So in order to build that solid base, that solid foundation, make sure to do the exercises often. I laid out the course to be challenging as well and fun too, so don't forget to have fun. Being stressed out, being too serious does not make it any easier, okay? So have fun with it, don't stress yourself out, and do it at your own pace, okay? Do it at your own pace, very important. And if you're anything like the countless students I've taught in the past, if you follow the lessons as laid out, I promise you, you will be surprised, impressed, and proud of yourself by all the improvements you make in your voice throughout this course, all right? So, welcome once again, and I'll see you at the first lesson. Thank you.